In this video, I'll show you how to convert Shiba Inu to USDT on Binance. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first thing you got to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in trading free credits. After you've logged into your account, I'm actually going to show you two different ways you can do this. The first way is by going over here to the top left-hand corner and tapping on the square icon. From here, we're going to tap on more services. Next, we're going to scroll down until we see the trade section, and we're going to tap on convert. The other way you can do this is by going down here to the bottom of the screen and tapping on this trade icon. And from here, we're going to select the convert option. So after you're on the convert page, right here on the from section, we're going to select Shiba Inu by tapping on this arrow next to the cryptocurrency that's shown for you. And from here, we're going to select Shiba Inu out of this list. If you don't see it in the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar up top, tap on Shiba Inu. And right here on the to section, this is where we're going to select USDT by tapping on this arrow right here and finding USDT on the list or searching for it in the search bar up top. Tap on USDT, enter the amount of Shiba Inu you want to convert into USDT, tap on preview, confirm the transaction on the next page, and that's how to convert Shiba Inu to USDT in Binance. If you found this video helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.